friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Today I am going to discuss one question from Maharashtra SET examination. The question is 2 mark MCQ from Maharashtra SET 2018. During fruit ripening, one of main hormones playing an important role is, the options are ethylene, abscisic acid ABA, auxin or gibberellin. So these are the plant hormones and it is having different functions. So let's go through the function of every hormone to find the answer. So starting with the first option is the ethylene. This is a plant hormone which is involved in a fruit ripening. Secondly, it is having role in a abscission, that is the shedding of leaves, fruits and other parts of the plant organ. So it is the term is known as a abscission and ethylene is involved in the abscission. Ethylene is involved in epinasty, that is nothing but a downward curvature of leaves. When the adaxial side grows faster, the upper side of the leaf grows faster than the lower side. That is abaxial side. The term we call it as a epinasty. And ethylene is involved in this phenomena. Secondly, it induces the adventitious roots and also root hair formation. Yes, the second option is the abscisic acid ABA. This is very well known as a stress hormone. Under the stress conditions in a plant, there is a secretion of abscisic acid. जैसे कि अगर वाटर लेवल कम है तो रूट की साइज बढ़ानी होगी, नंबर ऑफ रूट्स बढ़ाने होंगे, तो इस समय एब्सिसिक एसिड का सिक्रीशन शुरू हो जाता है एंड इसके साथ ही इट इनहिबिट्स द ग्रोथ ऑफ द शूट्स. शूट की साइज, शूट कम हो तो चलेगा मगर रूट्स वुड बी मोर सो दैट मोर वाटर कैन बी एब्जॉर्ब्ड. इसलिए एब्सिसिक एसिड को स्ट्रेस हार्मोन कहा जाता है. सेकेंडली, इट मेंटेन्स द सीड डॉर्मेंसी. जब तक फेवरेबल कंडीशंस नहीं है, एब्सिसिक एसिड मेंटेन्स द सीड डॉर्मेंसी. सेकेंडली, it inhibits the stomatal opening. That is also in case of the low water level, stomatal opening ko it inhibits, it avoids the stomatal opening so that water should not get evaporated from plant. The next one is the auxin. This was the first plant hormone which was discovered. This plant hormone is involved in stimulating cell elongation or expansion in stem and coleoptile. Here we find that high auxin concentration induces xylem differentiation, whereas low auxin concentration is responsible for the phloem differentiation. So auxin is responsible for vascular tissue differentiation also. The another is auxin is involved in a apical dominance. मतलब क्या, जब अपाइकल बर्ड होता है वहां पे ऑक्सिन सिक्रीशन होते रहता है और जिसकी वजह से लैटरल बर्ड्स फॉर्म नहीं होने देता. जब ये अपाइकल बर्ड, इफ यू रिमूव दिस अपाइकल बर्ड देन द प्लांट स्टार्ट्स ग्रोइंग लैटरली, तो उसके साथ उसके शूट्स लैटरली ग्रो होना शुरू हो जाते हैं जिसे हम अपाइकल डोमिनेंस बोलते हैं. तो इसमें ऑक्सिन इन्वॉल्व होता है. दूसरा फंक्शन होता है वो ट्रॉपिक रिस्पॉन्स. इसमें रूट्स ग्रो टुवर्ड्स द ग्रेविटी एंड शूट्स ग्रो टुवर्ड्स द लाइट. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ ट्रॉपिक रिस्पॉन्स एंड ऑक्सिन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस ट्रॉपिक रिस्पॉन्स. Yes, the last option is a gibberellin. This is the hormone which is involved in a internodal elongation of the plant. This breaks the seed dormancy and now seed can start growing. Secondly, it is involved in a fruit set. Transition of quiescent ovary to rapidly growing young fruit. This is known as a fruit set, and application of gibberellin can cause fruit set. So with this, we find the answer for the question as hormone ethylene. Option A. Ethylene is involved in a fruit ripening. So I hope you like my videos, you watch my videos regularly. I request you to please like, share and subscribe for my channel, and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.